US President Donald Trump has traveled to China for a high-stakes summit with Chinese President Xi Jinping. The meeting comes at a time when the world is already facing trade tensions, the Iran conflict, rising oil prices, and uncertainty over Taiwan. And for India, this meeting is far more important than it may appear, because whenever Washington and Beijing move closer or drift apart, New Delhi feels the impact. So what exactly is at stake for India? Could India benefit from this summit? Or does New Delhi risk losing strategic importance if the US and China strike major deals? Why India is watching closely? India has major economic and strategic ties with both the United States and China. The US is one of India's biggest strategic partners. China is one of India's largest trading partners. So whenever Washington and Beijing negotiate, India has to carefully assess what it could gain and what it could lose. One of India's biggest advantages in recent years has been the rivalry between the US and China. As tensions increased between Washington and Beijing, global companies began looking for alternatives to China. That helped India attract foreign investments, manufacturing opportunities, technology partnerships, semiconductor collaborations, supply chain diversification projects. While there are several trade factors, like if Trump offers China major trade concessions during this visit, India could face indirect pressure. One bigger concern for India is the possibility of a deeper US-China economic arrangement. If the world's two largest economies begin coordinating trade more closely, India risks being sidelined in certain sectors. That does not mean India will suddenly lose investments, but it does mean competition for global capital and manufacturing projects could become tougher. Taiwan, China and India's security concerns. Taiwan is another critical issue in the Trump-Xi summit. China considers Taiwan part of its territory, while the United States has continued supporting Taiwan militarily and strategically. India is closely observing how Trump handles the Taiwan issue during the visit. Why does this matter to India? It's because many Indian analysts believe that if the US softens its position on Taiwan to secure deals with China, Beijing could become more assertive in the region. That includes areas close to India. India and China already have unresolved border tensions. New Delhi worries that a stronger and more confident China could take a tougher approach along the line of actual control. For now, New Delhi will be closely watching every signal coming out of Beijing, because the decisions made during the Trump-Xi summit could shape global politics, trade, and security for years to come.